Okay, good afternoon everyone. In today's session, we are going to discuss cycle concept of numbers. So in cycle concept, what we'll do is that basically we'll write down the powers of all the natural numbers till we get a repeating units digit. Till that time, we will go on writing the powers of the natural numbers. Like 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32. So I am writing all the powers of 2 till I am getting the repeating units digit. So 2 to the power 1, it's ending with 2, and 2 to the power 5 is also ending with 2. So I am writing all the powers till the units digit is again ending with 2. So the minimum power at which this happens is 2 to the power 1, and then the next higher power is 5. So difference between these two powers like 5 and 1 is called the cycle of 2. So the cycle of 2 is 4. Similarly, 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 to the power 2 is 9, 3 to the power 3 is 27, 3 to the power 4 is 81, 3 to the power 5 is 243. So 3 to the power 1 ends with 3, 3 to the power 5 also ends with 3, and since power 1 and power 5 both ends with 3, so we say that the cycle of 3 is 4, because after the power increases by 4, we are getting the same units digit. Similarly, 4 to the power 1 is 4, 4 to the power 2 is 16, 4 to the power 3 is 64. So when the power goes from 1 to 3, then the units digit repeats. So the cycle of 4 is equal to 2. Then 5 to the power 1 is 5, 5 to the power 2 is 25. So both of them have the same units digit 5. So that means the cycle of 5, it will be 1. Then 6 to the power 1 is 6, 6 to the power 2 ends with 6 because it's 36, 6 to the power 3 is 216. So the units digit is repeating when the power increases by 1. So 6 to the power 1 ends with 6, 6 to the power 2 also ends with 6. So the cycle of 6 will be 1. 7 to the power 1 is ending with 7, 7 to the power 2 is 49, 7 to the power 3 is 343, 7 to the power 4 is 2401, 7 to the power 5 is 16807. So the units digit is repeating when you increase the power from 1 to 5. That means the cycle of 7 is 4. So this is the concept of cycle. Now let's continue this. Now let's have a look at 8. 8 to the power 1 is 8, 8 to the power 2 is 64, 8 to the power 3 is 512, 8 to the power 4 is 4096, 8 to the power 5 is 32768. So when the power of 8 increases from 1 to 5, the units digit repeats. So the cycle of 8 is also 4. So the cycle of 8 will also be 4. Then 9 to the power 1 is 9, 9 to the power 3 also ends with 9. 9 to the power 1 ends with 9, 9 to the power 3 also ends with 9. So when the power increases by 2, the units digit is the same. So cycle of 9 is 2. So the cycle of 9 will be 2. So this is the rule of cycle. Okay. So these are the cycles of all the numbers. Now what is the use of cycle concept? So the use of cycle concept is to find the units digit of a number which is having an exponent. So suppose if I say that I want the units digit of 3 to the power 73. Suppose if I ask this question that I want the units digit of 3 to the power 73. So for units digit of 3 to the power 73, I will have to see what is the cycle of 3. So cycle of 3 is 4. So it will be 4 into 18 plus 1. 73 has to be written as in terms of multiple of 4. So 73 is 4 into 18 plus 1. So this plus 1, we will use this to write the remainder. So, to write the units digit. So units digit of 3 to the power 73, it will be 3. So once again, 3 to the power 73, 73 is 4 into 18 plus 1. So because it is plus 1, so the answer will be 3 to the power 1, which is 3. So this is the way to use the cycle concept. Now suppose if the remainder is 0, like say for example, so suppose if the remainder is 0, like 7 to the power 56, so 56 is 4 into 14 plus 0, so the remainder is 0, then you will have to take the power as cycle. So if the remainder is 0, you have to take the power as cycle, that means you have to take 7 to the power 4, and 7 to the power 4, you know that it is 2401, so it will end with 1. So that means this is the only two things you have to remember. That if I ask you unit digit of 3 to the power 73, then you write 73 as a multiple of the cycle of 3. Cycle of 3 is 4. So you write 73 is 4 into 18 plus 1. This plus 1 will be used to find the units digit. So units digit will be 3 to the power 1, that is 3. But suppose if I give you a question like this, find the unit digit of 7 to the power 56. So if you see cycle of 7 is 4. So 56 is 4 into 14 plus 0. So when you have a 0 remainder, then don't take 0, you take the power as cycle. So 7 to the power 4. So that means the units digit will be 2401. So this is the cycle concept, and now based on cycle concept I am giving some homework. So first homework question finds the units digit of 25 to the power 6251 plus 36 to the power 528 plus 73 to the power 54. So these are the options. So find the units digit of 55 to the power 725 plus 73 to the power 5810 plus 22 to the power 853. And these are the options. (40658). Question number 4. Find the unit digit of 11 to the power 1, 12 to the power 2, 13 to the power 3, 14 to the power 4, 15 to the power 5, 16 to the power 6. Options are 4, 3, 7, 0 and none. Question number 3. Units digit of 11 to the power 1 plus 12 to the power 2 plus 13 to the power 3 plus 14 to the power 4 plus 15 to the power 5 plus 16 to the power 6. Options are 1, 9, 7, 0, 8. Question number 2. Find the units digit of 55 to the power 725 plus 73 to the power 5810 plus 22 to the power 853. Options are 4, 0, 6, 5, 8. Question number 1. Units digit of 25 to the power 6251 plus 36 to the power 528 plus 73 to the power 54. Options are 4, 0, 6, 5, 1. Question number 5. Find the units digit of 82 to the power 43 into 83 to the power 44 into 84 to the power 96 and 97 into 86 to the power 98 into 87 to the power 105 into 88 to the power 94. And the options are 2, 6, 4 and 8. These are the options. Okay, so these are the 5 homework questions from cyclicity rule, and the next session will be on Monday. Tomorrow we won't have any session. So these 5 homework questions you have to submit it by 9 p.m. of Monday. So that's it for today. I'll end this particular session. Bye all of you.